you need some new wireless mics, you definitely got to check this one out. So this was a sample given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. So they're AI powered wireless mics. So this is the packaging, is what it comes with. So, that's how it would look like on your phone. So let me show you what they look like. So you have here, comes in this little packaging thingy, and this is what they look like. So you have here the case, and then you would open it up. You would charge it here, and you open it up right here with your finger. So just be careful, don't break a nail or something. And then these are the mics themselves. So obviously it comes with two, has the little clip there that you can clip. This would be to charge it, and you would plug this into your phone. So it has two ways. So if like me, at this phone right here is an iPhone 13, I need this USB plug. But if you have a 15 and up, you can use this one. So when I first got it, I'm like, oh, I don't have a 15, but I'm like, oh, okay. I saw this, I'm like, okay, great. So then you just put them together like so, and there you go. So this will go into your phone. This is the little carrying case. You can just close it, put your mics in here and let them charge. Of course, you can just clip them. Excuse me. Let me put all that down. Too many things in my hand. You can just clip it just like that. And then, of course, you want to make sure it's on. So you want to press, where's the button? Yeah, you want to press it right here. You want to turn it on. And then just hold it and then make sure this is on. So it's basically it. It's very nice. I really like the design. I like the look. Looks very modern, very sleek, shiny. So I like it. Thank you so much. Hope you check them out and hope you can use it.